pandemic, camping and campfires made a glorious return, and we fell in love again with the outdoor experience of a cool night air, comfy chairs, and delicious food grilled over a roaring fire. Of course, camping has always been a popular activity here in Minnesota, and many of us are always looking for new and delicious recipes to make for our families and friends. And you don't need a full kitchen to make many easy and tasty meals when you're outdoors, with ingredients you can find at your local farmers markets or local producers. But this is a substitution-friendly recipe. If you have some picky eaters or can't get some of the vegetables in the off-season, go ahead and use spinach, green onion, or whatever you'd like. Breakfast over a campfire is a great way to start your day, and a succulent veggie and chorizo breakfast hash is one simple meal you and your family can make together over your next campfire. You may already have what you need with your camping equipment: cast iron skillet, plate, spatula, and a cutting board and a knife. For ingredients, it's super easy. 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 pound of Mexican chorizo, 1 medium onion diced, 1 medium zucchini or yellow squash, 1 bell pepper, any color will do, 1 pound of frozen hash browns, and a half a teaspoon of salt and a fourth a teaspoon of pepper. Just like at home, we need to get our skillet warm and oiled. Then we brown the chorizo in the pan. Make sure you stir it around to keep it from sticking. When done, remove from the skillet and place onto a plate until later. Next, we add our onions and saute them lightly for about 5 minutes in the juice of the chorizo and the olive oil. Those flavors go together so nicely. Add the peppers, zucchini, salt, and pepper to the pan and saute until softened. Move the vegetables to the outer edges of the skillet and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the center of the pan. Then add hash browns, stirring lightly just to combine with veggies, and cook without stirring until the underside begins to brown. Divide the mixture in 4 sections with a spatula and flip each section to the other side. Mix in the chorizo to the pan and stir into the vegetable and hash mixture lightly until combined and remove from the campfire. You can top each portion to your liking by adding fresh diced tomatoes, avocado slices, minced green onion, or cilantro. You can even top it off with an egg or two, any way you like it. This is just a lovely dish, and to minimize your work at camp, you can prep a lot of these ingredients at home and bring them in your cooler. For the most delicious ingredients around, find yours locally by going to minnesotagrown.com.